My jade plant is under attack. These white fuzzy spots, they're mealybugs, and if I don't act now, they'll literally suck the life out of this plant. If you see one, there are likely dozens more hiding. Today, we're going to war. I'm showing you a full system detox that doesn't just clean the leaves, but targets the hidden eggs in the roots. This is how you stop the cycle for good. Step 1. The manual clear. I'm using simple dish soap and a soft bristled brush. We need to physically scrap these pests off. Mealybugs produce a protective waxy coating, so a simple spray often isn't enough to reach them. Pay close attention to the axils or leaf joints. That's their favorite hiding spot. Don't be afraid to get in there. Every bug you miss is a potential new colony. It's a bit tedious, but seeing them disappear is so satisfying. Step 2. The kill shot. Now for the secret weapon. We're mixing 1 part 3% hydrogen peroxide with 4 parts room temperature water. It's vital to use the 3% concentration you find at the pharmacy. Anything stronger could harm your plant. Why this formula? Hydrogen peroxide is essentially water with an extra oxygen atom. When it touches the bugs, it oxidizes, instantly destroying their cell walls. Mix this right before you use it, as peroxide loses its power quickly once exposed to light. Step 3. The root treatment. This is the step most people skip. Mealybugs lay eggs in the soil. By drenching the roots with the peroxide mix, we kill the larvae without hurting the plant. Step 4. The recovery. This is crucial. After treatment, keep your jade out of direct sun for 48 hours. The peroxide and soap make the leaves sensitive, and they will burn if you're not careful. And there you have it, a clean, bug-free plant and treated soil. I'll keep this one in quarantine for a bit just to be safe. Have you tried this method? Or do you have another secret weapon against mealybugs? Let's talk in the comments. If this helped save your plants, hit that like button and subscribe to The Daily Eco for more organic plant care tips. Thanks for watching.